Welcome guys in this new lecture of Python Programming Universe. Today we are going to see a demonstration of an application of Python. Today we are going to create a simple YouTube video downloader. This is going to be very easy. So let's start with the Jupyter file that I have already created. So the topic is YouTube video downloader. Now to download videos from YouTube, Python provides a lightweight library called pytube3. So first we need to install this library, and we can do this in the Jupyter notebook itself by writing exclamation mark pip install dash dash user pytube3, and let's run this. Now I have already installed this, so let's wait to just show the message that all requirements have been satisfied and all. In the meantime, let me show you the folder in which I'm going to download and save my video. So I want to just show you that just scroll down and see there is no video file, any type of video file present in this folder. Just you can scroll down and see here. Okay, so no video file is there, and we are going to download and save the file in this folder itself. Now here, so requirement already satisfied, and if it is not installed, then it will be installed. Now from this pytube library we'll import YouTube module, and you have to remember this Y and T are in uppercase, it is capital letter. This YouTube keyword acts like an object, and it has got many methods as well. So we are going to see URL. I have copied this URL already here to save some time. Now this URL is song of Talking Tom, which my daughter used to listen daily. It's very good song, so I thought let's download this. Now you have to write this YouTube module that I have import from Python, from pytube import YouTube, and then you have to write the link and then dot streams. This streams means the stream, whether it is MP4 or whether it is WebM or some other streaming format. Then you have to write this first and empty braces, and then dot downloads, dot download, and again empty braces. Now this is a single line, and when you'll execute this, your video will be simply downloaded. So let's do some printing statement to make it more readable, and we can write anything here. So I'm writing here print connection established and say starting download or start to download. You can write anything here. So let me write connection established and starting download. Now this is just a message. If you don't write this message, it will again work, there is no problem. I'm writing this message so it will let me know, okay, that something is happening in the background. And similarly I'm writing after downloading. When this video will get downloaded, a message will prompt that download is successful or successfully download. Again you can write any message to let you know that okay, download has been done. Now this is pretty easy, and let's run this thing here using shift enter. Okay, now see here, connection has been established and it's starting download. So it is just a message that lets you know, okay, now something is happening. And you don't write this message, then also this thing will work. Now here streams, I was talking about streams. A stream is that what you called, okay, what is the streaming medium? It is MP4, it is MP3, so that is a streams. By first, it means that whatever may be the first available download streaming format, it will download in that format only. Okay, and by download it means download. Now there are many methods also available with YouTube object. In the meantime it is downloading, we can discuss some things. There are 8 methods available with YouTube download: title, length, thumbnail, URL. Okay, now see here, download successful. So let's go to the folder and see whether it has been downloaded or not. So if you see here, it comes MP4 video file has been downloaded. It is of 7.7 MB, duration is 2 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, so 2 minute 40-second video has been downloaded here. Now these are the methods which we are talking about. Let's see what these methods actually tell us. Title, so it simply will give the title. So I have written here, first I have created an instance of my YouTube module. So every time I don't need to write YouTube and that entire YouTube link, I'll write it YT. Now title will give the title of the video, length of video will give the length in seconds. It means that we just saw the video was 2 minutes 40 seconds. It means that in seconds it will be 160 seconds. Description will give all associated hyperlinks and blogs, whatever linked with this video. Thumbnail will give the thumbnail part, from which part of the video thumbnail has been created. If there is any video ID, video underscore ID will give the video ID. Rating will give the average rating. Age restriction will tell you whether this video is age restricted or not in Boolean. And similarly, number of views will tell you how many number of views are there. So let's run this and see if we got some outputs here. Okay, no, okay, so we have got some outputs here. Let's see. The title is, okay, this is the title of the video. It is a song of Tom and Angela. Length of video, as we discussed, 160 seconds, and hyperlink associated. So there are many hyperlinks associated with this video. Thumbnail of the video is, see, this is the thumbnail, and you can see this is .jpg. This is .jpg. So thumbnail is usually extracted from some part of the video. Video ID is this one. This is the video ID. Average rating is 3.83. Video is as restricted, no, so it is giving output in Boolean false. And number of views, okay, 67,22,471. So these are the extra informations which you can get. Now what are the possible or all available video streaming modes available? So you can write here yt.streams, or you can also write YouTube and that entire link and .streams. Let's run this, and when we run this, a huge output file is created here. Now you can see here there are some things which you have to notice. So MIME type, it is giving you the type of video. This is MP4. RES means resolution. This is 360 pixels. FPS is frames per second. V codec is video codec. A codec is audio codec. So there are different streaming modes available. MP4, 1080, 720 pixels, and video codes, audio codes. So all these things are available here. And there is one more method which with which you can see the streaming modes available, yt.streams and yt.streams.all. So it will also give you the same thing. So this is yet another method through which you can see all available streaming modes. Now first will give the first stream available, and last will give the last stream available. So let's print this, print yt.stream.first, and here you can see the first streaming mode available is 360 pixels and it is MP4. That's why you saw there in download section that video was downloaded in MP4 format. And the last is an audio codec. You see there is no video codec, there is only audio available. And if you want to download the video in some another format like in WebM, then filter method is used. Here I have written file extension equal to WebM, file extension equal to WebM dot first dot download. So what you have to write, yt.streams.filter, and then in bracket you have to give the file extension, and the file extension is WebM dot first dot download. If you don't write file extension, then simply it will download the first format available, that is MP4 or whatever the first format available for that video. So it is taking some time to download because now I have increased the pixel size, so definitely the download size will also be increased. So let's wait. And here also you can do one thing, you can print the statements like downloading start or download successful. So this is the thing, for that I wrote there print downloading started or download successful. And if you are familiar with try catch exceptions, then you can put this entire code inside try, and in catch or in except you can put some error message. So suppose here if something connection failed or something happens like that, then you will get some message that okay, this error has been occurred. So this is pretty simple program. This is pretty simple YouTube video downloader code using Python. Let's see here if something has been downloaded. Okay, at present it is 0 KB. It is downloading. It hasn't been downloaded yet. Back to the code here. Okay, let's wait for some time. So I was telling this is pretty simple video program, video downloader. See here, now it has been downloaded. Let's see in the web the folder, and see now it is 19 MB file. Okay, so this is pretty big than 7 MB. Okay, so now I have got two formats here. So this was all about. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. You got something new, and this was pretty easy program to learn, and you don't need any third-party apps now to download your YouTube video. Thank you. We'll meet in the next lecture. Keep practicing.